My name is Muchoke Julius. Actually, I'm from the National Internet Data Center, and I'm here to actually trying to show you how the data center will enhance the fintech technology and actually try to catalyze and support actually the digital payment systems within the country. And as I have said, I am Muchoke Julius. As you see, the watermark, that's the building of our National Internet Data Center. I don't think if people have ever visited there, but where we are located is just behind Kijitonyama, just behind the TTCL building there. Or if you have ever been there at the new mall, Village, that's where we are located. So that's the National Internet Data Center. And people have never heard of the National Data Center, that's why we're trying to speak it out so that people can understand what we do. But actually we have been there for 10 years. And at first, we were inaugurated in 2015, and commercially we started the business in 2016, where we started now to do traditional services such as co-location services and the visualization environment to help the fintech and other systems that when people need to host a secure environment, they will not just need to come to us. One of the pictures there is the racks that we have, and we have more than 183 racks that are there. And up to now, as we're speaking, it's almost 80% of the racks that we have already been utilized. So people, they don't want those hassles of the stable power supply, issues with power supply, sometimes overhead cost, the operation cost. The IT department don't want to spend a lot of money to operate the infrastructure, so data center will just help you to do that one. And since we had a traditional way of operating, so we said that now we have to introduce what we call the cloud computing services. As most of you have been, we have a booth outside there. We have been demonstrating, showing people what we do and how do we do that one. So for the very first time, this has never been here in Tanzania, but actually now we introduced the cloud computing services where things that will be hosted here locally in Tanzania. Most of the people used to see the information or hosting infrastructure at Amazon and other databases which are public, but actually with the National Internet Data Center, we have tried to make sure that we have compliance issues that people when you are operating the systems where you have citizens' data, your information should be hosted locally here. So data center with actually hosted here, they are locally hosted here at the data center. Actually, with what we are coming with, that it will be managed self-service where an IT department or an IT user will just go and sign up with this cloud services thing. You register yourself, provision your plan depending on the requirement of your systems. So you can provision your system depending on the CPUs or RAM that you have on your server. So it will be an on-demand self-service where your information will be locally hosted, and it's a carrier neutral infrastructure where we do not limit you that it's only that you have to use the TTCLs or whatever. So we have all the ISP there, and then you can even connect through everything that you want to connect it. And it's actually typical private where you don't need public access to access it or the internet to access your infrastructure. Since we know that people requires to have privacy and accessing the information, as well as in terms of security, your information should be private accessible. And also we help the fintech companies. Like if you have a digital payment system that you want to host there, we also help you to make sure that at least we act as your network and security guys, and then you'll be dealing with the infrastructure, or if you have a developer system, so having a server there, that means we will help you to connect with the financial service provider that we have, so that you have an IPsec connection. But at the same time, if you are hosting within data center, the National Data Center, you have a server, there's no need for you to have internet access. So we can even connect you through an MPLS VPN or VPLS connections within the country. So there's no need for you to have an internet access, just like you are hosting your infrastructure in the AWS. That is the requirement of the country, and some of them, because of because of the private issues and privacy that people require when hosting their data. So it's an integrated connectivity ecosystem that we have designed so that we help you have everything local. And we know that the fintech truth, you have been facing a lot of issues when you have your digital payment systems, so you have applications. We know people, everything that deals with money is very critical. So if it's very critical, NIDC will ensure that the system's latency sensitivity, when you talk of the performance, the scalability, since it's an on-demand self-service, the infrastructure is very scalable. And of course, the data control and compliance considerations that the government always requires people to host their data privately. And since the infrastructure is locally hosted here in Tanzania, so that means you have an opportunity to comply with every country regulations. And this will help you operate within the country and have the citizens access your digital payment systems and do whatever they want to do. And we understand the government has always been trying to find investors within the country to invest in. So if you are interested in investing within the country, so that means you need some capital to invest in. So even if you are a startup company, you don't have to worry about the investment costs in the IT infrastructure. So with the NID systems, we have all the infrastructure, the credit servers are existing there, and they are locally hosted. That means you don't have to invest a lot of money going to construct an IT room, so a data center or whatever. We rather take that investment capital and then you invest in your growing your business. So this will help you grow your business instead of going and investing that one. So we have cases where we have researchers, like students who are doing researches. You are a startup companies, you have your payment systems that you want to demonstrate. There's no need for you to invest a lot of money or worrying about having an investment capital to host your systems. So if you come out to the data center, for instance, with these cloud services, for just $35 dollars, you just get your servers. And of course, it is enough for you to start hosting your systems. And the more you scale up your resources, the more you have a lot of transactions, so the more you scale up the resources. So the more you scale up the resources, we believe that you'll be having a massive number of transactions and profitably you'll be also growing. So the more you grow, the more you scale, you also increase the cost of operations. So we believe that you'll be financially able to grow your business. So you don't have to worry. If you have a payment systems, and you are worrying about hosting it in AWS or the data centers, we encourage you guys to come and host at the National Internet Data Center, and actually reduce some operational expenses as well as the capital expenditure. And of course, you will prosper and you actually will be together. And we have always been saying that every startup or even a division within a company that has an idea for something new, you should figure out how to use the cloud computing, and you should make it as a. So, as I have said, we have a booth there. If you need more information, you can just come, and we can give you information on how to do it. And we have come with a plan. This cloud computing has not yet been started, but actually we are expecting to launch it in the next month. And we have decided that we will start with like 100 customers that we just want to test and experience the cloud computing services. So come on, and let's experience together so that we can take and digitalize the economy. And when we are going to the cashless economy, the fintech technology, or the fintech guys actually, you are the lead and you help the country prosper and make people do everything digital. We don't have to work with cashless or whatever. So this is very secure. So thank you very much for listening.
Yes, thank you so much for also keeping time. Amazing.
Thank you.
I mean, is it only for fintech or anybody who needs cloud service can?
Since we came to demonstrate with the fintech, actually this is for everyone. It's a system and you want to host it, be it a financial system, be it a HR system, anything, you are welcome to host the system. So long as you need a hosting environment or a visualization environment, you are welcome to the National Internet Center. Let's do business together. Thank you.
Julius, you're amazing. The booth is out there? Yes. To my left, right?
Yeah, when you are going up to the next, you'll find a QR code where you just scan, give us your details, and then we'll do an analysis. If you have a company, you have a payment systems that you want to test and use our private cloud, yes, we'll just guide you through, and then you get your information, allow you to use the cloud computing services for the first 1 month, and then from there we just commercialize it, and we start charging like $35 for the startup companies.
All right, thank you so much. That is NIDC. A round of applause for Julius. Thank you, Julius. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.